I don't specialize in insurance. That's not my area of expertise, so I leave it up to the professionals that have studied that or worked in it, whatever you want to call it. I have 2 brokers that I work with, and one works nationally, the other one works more locally, and generally I rotate through them. The reason why I use them is a couple things. One, they get things to me quickly, which is super important. They get them to me quickly, they answer the phone, they answer their emails, or they have a team that answers the emails and the phone calls. Also, they have good pricing. And another thing is they shop for me, 12, 20, something like that. They have a ton of different companies that they work with. So that is why, those are the reasons why I use them. Now, I don't get any kickbacks. There's nothing like that happens. I use them because they're good at their job. And you'd be surprised how many times I've had insurance hold me up on a deal because I didn't work with somebody that like I knew or the borrower knew. They just went to like Schmeico or Mallmate and they used some random person at customer service, and all of a sudden closing's no longer on the 15th, it's now on the 14th because we had to move it, and we can't get the coverage to be updated, which, just FYI, if you move your closing date, your insurance has to go into effect on that date, or else you can't close. So if you move your closing date up and now your insurance isn't there, we have to get that fixed. And if you work with a random customer service person, I've had it where it takes days and weeks and we cannot wait for that. So just a little tidbit of information. So you would want to talk to them. You want to talk to your lender, see if they have somebody that they work with a lot. We get solicited all the time as loan officers for insurance people to, for us to send them business. So just keep that in mind that they more than likely know somebody that can get you an insurance quote. I will also add that if your lender does not have a preferred insurance person, go to wherever your car insurance is with and ask them, because normally if you bundle, you'll get a deal. And if for some reason you don't have a car, you don't have car insurance, then I would look at whoever your renter's insurance is. And if that's not the case, then I would probably then talk to like your parents or a family member as to what insurance they use and get a quote from them.